Hello, dear friends. So today's problem is LeetCode 141 linked list cycle. So what we are asked, given a head of the linked list, determine the linked list has a cycle or cycle in it or not. So we are given a head of the linked list, for example, number 3, and we need to traverse the linked list and we need to see if there is a cycle in it or not. For cycle, uh, that means it has a kind of loop in it. For example, 2 0 -4, and then it comes back to 2. So this is called a cycle of a linked list, and our job is to detect if it's a cycle, if the linked list ends here or not. And true, answer is true. Yes, there is a cycle. And for example, here 1 and 2, yes, true, there is a cycle. Let's see if any other example is here. There's only one element. So if we have only one element, or if we have a null element, which means there would be no cycle, because one element cannot have a cycle with any other element. So for cycle, we need at least two elements. So that will be our base case as well. So without wasting our time, let's jump into the code. If our head is equal to null, or head dot next is equal to null, return head. Which means if head is null, there's nothing, or there is or head dot next, which means this head, but it has nothing in its next. So if my head itself or head dot next or the next element, which means the second element, there is no second element or there is no head, we are gonna return false. Else we are gonna take two pointers. One which is Toto is one which is rabbit. So rabbit runs fast, and the Toto is runs slower than rabbit. So let's take our node turtle is equal to head node rabbit is equal to. So they are both gonna run, and we are gonna see a point. If they meet, which means there is, of course, there is a cycle. I'm gonna dry run this. Let's see. If my turtle and head is here, right? Both of them are here. They are starting from 3. Turtle is here, and the rabbit is here on the head. Turtle is running 1 point. Turtle is here. After first iteration, turtle is here, and my rabbit is running 2 points. Rabbit is having 2 jumps each time. So 1 and 2. So rabbit is here. Turtle is here. Now again, rabbit comes here. Rabbit is here right now, and rabbit takes 2 jumps, 1 and 2. Rabbit comes here, and my turtle comes here. Turtle is just having 1 jump. Now again, my rabbit, which has already come here, it's gonna take 2 jumps again. From 2, it's going to be on 0 and -4. But my turtle, which has already taken 3 steps here until here, 2 steps until here, now it's gonna take third step -4, and they are meeting here, which means, so basically they both of them are running a race, and we are seeing if they are moving through only one ground, and they're supposed to meet, because a rabbit is running fast and coming over and over to the same ground. So if they are in a circular ground and they are coming over, and a turtle is seeing rabbit over and over, which means the ground is round, and rabbit is just circling in the ground. So that's how we are going to determine the cycle of the linked list. So for that, we're going to have while, we're going to run a while loop, while rabbit is not equal to null, and bit next is not equal to. So what are we gonna do? If rabbit is not equal to null, if rabbit until rabbit doesn't become null, or anything, or rabbit dot next is not equal to null, we are gonna be running these loops. If rabbit. Oh, rabbit is equal to hold on. Turtle dot next. Turtle is running one step only, and rabbit is equal to rabbit dot next dot next. If turtle meets rabbit, turn true. Else we're gonna return. So we are returning true only when turtle meets rabbit. So let's try to run this code. Let's see. See, it got accepted, and let's submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. Don't worry about the runtime. I'm gonna run it with different. It's still faster. So don't worry about the runtimes, but this is our approach. So we are having two pointers. One is faster, one is slower, and we are seeing if they are coming over, and if turtle is seeing rabbit over and over, which means rabbit is just circling around. So this was the question of today. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, just leave some comments and hit like button and subscribe. Thank you.